Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's lovely to have you here as ever. My name's Dave. I am the fat lad on a bike. Not that I'm on a bike today, I'm doing some stuff with this. Like many people, I use the Quadlock for keeping my phone on the bike. As you do, so it's there for GPS and phone calls, listening to music if that's your bag, all that kind of thing, and it's useful for all manner of things to have your phone on your bike. Some people disagree with that, and that's fine. However, one of the major problems I've always had is keeping the damn thing charged, especially when you're doing GPS navigation, because it eats through the battery in your phone. One of these things. So Quadlock's come out with this. It's they say the strongest, most secure smartphone wireless charger. Now if you've got a wireless charging smartphone, then you might want to have a look at one of these things, and I'm going to do the installation now. Let me just tell you what's in the box before we get any further. And yes, I've had a look through it. You've got the piece of paper that no man ever reads, the installation instructions. You've got the wireless charger itself, that's this bit, there you go, with its little wings that come, I'll take the paper off, David, the little wings, whoops, I'm chucking stuff about here, the little wings that push back and forward, and on the back is a nice little USB-C interface plug. That's where you plug your power in. Which can come from either something that you've got in your lighter socket, if you want to call it that, or there's one of these which is a USB dongle that clips onto one of these, plugs in. These are the ubiquitous plugs, so you can, by virtue of these, connect it straight to your battery if you're not using CAN bus, and then you've got leads and what have you to go along with it. So let's get it installed and see how hard it is, shall we? Right, now I've already got my Quadlock on here. It's already installed onto the bike. First thing you've got to do is to take its connection unit off. And these are widely interchangeable. So that's that gone. And there you have the little ratchety thing that shows you where everything lives. Now, on here there's a little light. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it very well, but that obviously wants to be fairly well straight on. And these are the wings I was on about that you push in order to be able to unlock your Quadlock. Then we've got the actual lock itself. So that fits on there like that. And they supply a new bolt with Loctite on it. So now all we need to do is screw that in, which is relatively straightforward. They even provide the Allen key, would you believe, which is pretty damn good, I think. Right, let's get that tightened up, David. Sorry if the hands are in the way, but sometimes I've just got to be sure I'm getting it done the right way. Alrighty, there you go. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. The next thing is to plug the lead in, and it fits on this far side, and there's no way I can get a camera under there to show you, so I'm not even going to try. I am though going to twizzle things about so I can get in and see. There it is. That's it in, clicks in firmly. Let's move that back round, and after that it's just a case of routing your cable across to where your power outlet is, and that's it, in, it's done. So the phone will mount as phones usually do, like that. There you go, it's in, and as you'll see, nothing until I start the bike up, and then you'll see, I hope, can you see? Yes you can. There you go, 62% charged it says. Now underneath, let's just press the wings and take it off. You'll see there's a light there, green for charging, blue for not charging. This flashes if there is any errors, but otherwise it's dead simple to put in, and you can hear it bleeping. That's it, it's there, it's ready to go. Spot on, and as it should be. And whether that looks straight or not to you, I don't think it really matters, because I can tell you it absolutely is. So that's it. That's all that's involved. It's not bad. Switch the bike off, David. Oh yeah, because I've got that coming out of the 12 volt socket on the bike, when the bike switches off, that's it, done. After 2 or 3 minutes, or however long the CAN bus runs for, it all gets turned off, so it's not pulling any juice away from your battery. Now of course, if you decided that you wanted to go down the route of this, there is a proper name for this plug and I can't remember what it is, but if you decide you wanted to go down that route of using this and then connecting the USB up, then yes, you know, there would be a chance of it taking juice out of your battery even when it wasn't on. I am going to be connecting this up, and I'm going to be using the much longer lead, and it is much longer as well. Let me tell you how long I think it is. Let's have a quick look. We'll do it the old 3 foot. Yeah, it's 6 foot. There's a 6 foot lead there, USB to USB-C. I have a USB-C device that I intend to be powering, that'll be on the back of the bike. You'll see about that in a separate project, so I'm going to use this for that, but I think it's great that they include it. 12 to 24 volt input, so no matter what your bike runs at, as long as it's 12 to 24 volt, it'll work, and it will give you, it says here, 5 volts at 2 amps, 9 volts at 2 amps, and 12 volts at 1.5 amps. I presume that's part of the USB-C specifications. Anyway, that's it. 'Tis done, and it works well. I'll tell you what it's like for water ingress and stuff like that as we go through whatever riding season we get. So if you've enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you'd leave us a thumbs up. Thumbs ups are always good. Thumbs down, but tell me why. Subscribe if you haven't already. But most of all, stay safe and look after yourselves. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.